Click Try it free. Input country. Select your need. Agree to the TOS and click Continue. Input your phone number and click Send code. Verify your account type and payment method. Click Start my free trial. Answer a few questions, then click Done. Search text to speech. Click Cloud Text to Speech API. Click Enable. Click Create credentials. Select the Cloud Text to Speech API, the other default settings, then click Next. Input your account details, then click Create and Continue. Click Continue. Click Done. Click on the email hyperlink. Click on the Keys tab. Go to Add Key, then Create New Key. Select JSON, then click Create. Your private key has been saved. Go to your environment variables. Make a new user variable as named above and provide the path to your JSON file. Open your IDE. Paste the code from the description below. Execute the script. Open the audio file. Hello, world. Please consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.